Hi friends, welcome to LnM series. This is Varun. In this video, we will be seeing about simple object access protocol, or in short, we will be calling it as SOAP. What is simple object access protocol or SOAP? It is a network platform used in the web service to exchange or communicate data between two different machines on a network. So whenever you want to communicate between two machines in a network, maybe a client or a server, you could use this SOAP as a web service. So here the data will be exchanged as SOAP message. So we can see what is the SOAP message and what is the structure of the SOAP message. The structure of the SOAP message contains, the first is the SOAP envelope, which is used to define the start and end of the SOAP message. The second object or the second thing that is available in the SOAP message is the SOAP header. Actually, this SOAP header is an optional element. There is no compulsion of using that element in the SOAP message. It may be present or may not be there. But if you are adding some credential information regarding the message that you are passing, you could add that in the header. Number 3 is the SOAP body, which defines the actual content of the message that need to be exchanged between the client and the server. And the fourth element of the SOAP message is the SOAP fault. The SOAP fault, it is also an optional element, but it could be used to display any error message that could happen during the transmission. So these are the important elements that are available in the SOAP message. So let us look with the structure. The SOAP message would be in this particular structure. As we know that SOAP is an XML document. So it starts with the SOAP envelope. Here you could see that the SOAP envelope, it may contain the XML format, and then you have the header and the body. So these are the two important parts which are available, header and the body. So as we have seen, the header will contain the credentials or any other information that you need to provide regarding the message, and the body, it contains the actual message along with the fault. This fault will be present inside the body. So this is an example for the SOAP message. So here you could see that I have started with the envelope and then I have the header. Here I haven't mentioned anything inside the header, so I just have it as a single tag there with a slash. And then I have the body, that is the SOAP body, which contains the course detail response and the details of the course mentioned there. So ID is a course 1, name is Spring, and the description I have given as 10 steps here. So this is just a small message which would be passed. So this is a example of how the SOAP message would be. So this will be transmitted from one system to another. So the other system would be looking into that. The name of the course is Spring, the ID is course 1, and the description that is kept inside the SOAP message. Hope this would have helped you in understanding the basics of SOAP. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video soon. Thank you.